What's up, yo? My name is Josh. This is Pursuit Racing. And right now we are in my garage. Currently, my contractor is out at lunch, and I snuck in here to give a quick tour as the garage has already been prepped and is pretty much ready to go. So, with that said, here's the tour. All right, here is my garage. So, as I said, painter has already prepped the space to paint, and he's gonna have to do some acid etching here to the cement floor here for the epoxy he mentioned. So um, we'll see how that goes. But he's already taken off all the panels and such, and taped off the door. I got a couple of projects already where I'm gonna have to end up, I guess, like framing the door or getting the borders or whatever that's called. I don't know. Not a handy dude. And then I'm gonna have to build a step here too. So once the place gets painted and the floor gets epoxied, I'll work on that door and the stairs. So those would be some projects to follow. But anyway, it's just a little detailed look at the garage here. And again, soon we'll have this place getting filled in uh, sooner than later.